Hi everyone, welcome to the 34th part of our popular video series Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas. In this video, we will take you on a tour of some amazing small apartments that showcase how to make the most of your limited space and express your personal style. You will see how these homeowners have used rich materials, natural elements, unexpected seating, and clever storage solutions to transform their small apartment into comfortable and stylish oasis. You will also learn some tips and tricks to choose the right size rug, keep your shelves clean, and add something living to your space. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and the newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. So, sit back and enjoy this video. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Let's get started. This small apartment features a light gray and white color palette that creates a sense of spaciousness and elegance. The kitchen is compact but functional, with a generous countertop and a small island that doubles as a dining table. The living room is furnished with lightweight furniture that does not clutter the space and decorated with a modern painting that adds a touch of color and personality. The light gray rug and matching light gray drapes complement the neutral tones of the walls and floor. The sliding door leads to quite a large patio that offers a relaxing outdoor area and a nice view of the city. The small open space from the image combines a compact living room and a small dining area in a cozy and bright setting. The yellow three-seater sofa adds a splash of color and warmth to the white walls and hard floor. The large floor-to-ceiling windows let in plenty of natural light and offer a beautiful balcony with a gorgeous view of the city. The light gray area rug and transparent drapes create a soft contrast and a sense of spaciousness. The space is decorated with some plants and a large modern painting, adding some personality and charm. another small open space that features a tiny kitchen and a small dining area near large floor-to-ceiling windows that bring in natural light and a scenic view. The kitchen has brown cabinets, a stainless steel sink, and a stove. The dining area has an oval wooden table and four matching chairs. The open space continues with a small living room with white walls, laminate flooring, a gray sofa, two tiny coffee tables, and a light gray area rug. The sofa is adorned with decorative pillows in different colors and patterns. A large painting on the wall above the sofa adds a focal point and a touch of artistry. The space is cozy, modern, and inviting. This small open space from the image has a light gray and white color palette with royal blue and yellow color accent that create a lovely and sophisticated atmosphere. The large balcony offers a stunning view of the city and a relaxing outdoor space. The tiny living area has a small two-seater light gray sofa, a small round-top coffee table, and a royal blue rug. Yellow, light gray, and blue decorative pillows add some comfort and contrast to the sofa. A small but ultra-modern kitchen has a white countertop and white cabinets that reflect the light and make the space look bigger. A round-top dining table and four yellow chairs provide a cheerful and cozy dining area. The space is elegant, bright, and functional. This small bedroom is simply furnished and decorated, creating a cozy and relaxing space. The double-sized bed is flanked by two small matching nightstands and reading table lamps. The walls are painted in a peach color that adds some warmth and softness to the room. A large landscape acrylic painting on the wall above the bed depicts a serene scene of a lake and mountains, adding some color and interest to the room. The floor is covered by a beige carpet that matches the blue and light gray curtains. The room is bright, clean, and comfortable. This small condominium is sophisticated and elegant despite the compact size. It has an elegant open space in brown hues, gray and white that create a sense of luxury and harmony. The stunning modern kitchen has glossy brown cabinets and a white countertop that contrast beautifully. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances and a large sink. The dining area has a large rectangular glass-top dining table and six modern white chairs that offer comfortable and stylish seating. A fabulous pendant lamp over the table adds some glamour and illuminations. The small living room from the image is a serene and inviting space that connects to a magnificent balcony with a gorgeous view of a city park. The light-colored wooden floor, light gray walls, light gray area rug, and white drapes create a neutral and airy backdrop for the lightweight furniture. The three-seater light gray sofa and the chairs offer a comfortable and cozy sitting area, while the oval wooden coffee table adds some warmth and texture. A large ocean painting on the wall above the sofa brings some color and calmness to the room. The glass sliding door allows plenty of natural light and fresh air to enter the room and also provide access to the balcony where one can enjoy the beauty of nature and the city. The living room is a perfect place to relax and unwind. This open space is a bright and spacious area that combines the living and kitchen areas with a large opening to a beautiful patio with a garden view. The mustard color sofa adds a pop of color and contrast to the white walls and hardwood floor. The light gray area rug and the small round coffee table create a cozy and inviting sitting area. The modern kitchen has glossy light gray cabinets, a light gray backsplash, and a white countertop that blends well with the rest of the space. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and a large sink. The large opening allows plenty of natural light and fresh air to enter the space and connects to the patio where one can enjoy the greenery and the flowers. The open space is a stylish and comfortable living space. This small bedroom is a cozy and romantic space that has a large opening to a gorgeous balcony decorated with many large and small potted plants. The bedroom has a small bath with two tiny nightstands and white bedding. On the wall above the bed is a large painting that pictures a beautiful sunset over an ocean shore, creating a soothing and dreamy atmosphere. The balcony is a green and lush oasis that offers a stunning view of the city and a relaxing outdoor area. The bedroom is a perfect place to enjoy some peace and tranquility. We hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration and tips to decorate your own small apartment. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. You can also visit our website for more information and resources how to build a house. You can find the link in the video description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video where we will show you more cute small apartment creative design ideas. Stay tuned. Bye.